there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features the With You in Mind stamp set. This is a fabulous new stamp set, great bold images for all occasions, particularly birthdays. And it's in this catalogue, the Stampin' Up! Mini catalogue, January to April 2025. It's on page, here we go, page 18. There it is right there. And if you would like to get a copy of this catalogue and you live in New Zealand and you don't currently have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I'd be happy to send you one for free. Just email me, stampingmary, stampingmery @gmail.com, and I'll get one in the mail to you. There's some fabulous products in here. But we're going to make this one today, and we're also bringing in this stamp, large bold background stamp, the sketched plaid. That's how I did that sketched plaid background. So let's bring in a piece of the top piece, which is Pretty in Pink. And I've already got it set up on my Stamparatus. Now, if you don't, we don't currently sell the Stamparatus for Stampin' Up, but if you have a stamp positioning tool, this is a good idea to use it for this one. Just helps the positioning. You can either use a large block or you could take the paper directly to the stamp once you have inked it. Right, let's bring that over. Just going to move that. Oh, that was lucky. Hopefully I got it all down there that time. Yep, I'm happy with that. It's just for the background, and I think it adds a nice little bit of something a bit different. So let's pop that one out of the way. We're also going to do a little bit of stamping on the inside with the Summer Splash and the Pretty in Pink. Don't have to, you can leave that out if you prefer. I'm just going to pop that one on a block. Oops. So I've got the flower image and the other image is gone missing. Oh, I know where it is. It's okay, we're just going to use the flower image for this one. So let's bring our inside piece for stamping. Just a little bit. Just pop it down randomly wherever you feel. I think I put way too many on this one. I went a bit crazy. So I'm just going to stick with a little bit less. The old less is more, I think, will be better. This Pretty in Pink is such a lovely colour. Now I've linked all of the products that I'm using today in the description bar below, so you can click on them and you'll be taken to my Stampin' Up! Website where you can shop if you would like any of these products that you see today. Let's pop that one there and then that one there. I think that's enough. I think I just went a bit crazy. I really like Pretty in Pink and Summer Splash together. I think they look really pretty, really pretty. So pop that to one side. I've got my piece of Pretty in Pink basic cardstock, which I just half a piece of cardstock. Just scored in half. Oops, there's my catalogue. And let's pop our inside piece in with Tombow. Just there. So I just cut my inside piece a little bit narrower than the top piece. The top piece is actually the full same size as the card base, just so you can see that little bit of the pink poking out. And I've put that on upside down But you know what? It's okay because the flowers work on the corner too, don't they? I think that's okay. Let's not worry. It's good. It's all good. Right, let's do a little bit of stamping here for the top as well. So this is a die from the Iconic Celebrations set, and it's actually retiring, so it's on the clearance list for Stampin' Up. I've linked it as well. It's definitely marked down. I love this shape, so I'm going to be keeping that in my collection forever because it's such a great size, and it fits the happy birthday sentiment in this set just perfectly. So we're going to stamp the happy birthday. When I find it, here it is. Let's pop it onto a block. And bringing in the Summer Splash. I need to re-ink that, I think. Hopefully. This should go perfect. Now I've got a bit of ink around the outside, but that's okay. It's not going to transfer. She says hopefully. It won't. There we go. Perfect. Put it out of the way. I really like that. Now this very pretty ribbon is also available online in the catalogue. It was in the holiday catalogue and it's carried over. You will find it if you when you go to order, but I have popped the product details in the description bar. It is the sheer ribbon, and it is my most favourite ribbon because it just folds so beautifully. Just love it. Can't stop using it. And I'm just going to pop that out of the way. And a little bit of Stampin' Seal just to hold it down. Just popping it a little bit of the Stampin' Seal there. And then going to grab just put that there. So I've sort of just done a pretend bow, really. Pop that in for the time being. Put a couple of dimensionals on the back of your sentiment. Put one in the middle to hold that bow down. Okay. Out of the way. Make sure we get this one up the right way. And then, whoops. I had a funny feeling that was going to happen. And then that goes on the top there like that. Oh, I know why. Just need to put a bit of tape down here just to hold it in place. You can put a little staple in there as well to hold it if that makes it easier. You can't see the tape once you've put this down. That's cute, right? Very easy to make. Now the embellishments we're using are the party dots. Love these party dots. Really, really pretty colours. Pretty in pink, Summer Splash, and I'm going to say Daffodil Delight or Crushed Curry. Daffodil Delight, I think. Let's pop a couple of those on here. Where'd that one go? Huh. You could really, I mean, obviously you can make this card with any colours. I like the bright. They're bright, but they're not too bright. They would be subtle. They are subtle. They're subtle bright. How's that? Let's pop that on with some Tombow. Yeah. You can pop that on with dimensionals if you like, whatever you prefer. There's also a plaid embossing folder, so you can also emboss that top piece if you preferred, just to give it even a different look. I think it would look really pretty either way. And there you have it. That's the card. So that's the one I made with lots of stamping on the inside, and then this one we just made now with the upside down stamping on the corner, which I think is actually okay. Thank you so much for watching. As I've said, all the products I've used are linked in the description bar below. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. Thank you so much and have a really good day.